Yo guys, welcome back to another video guys. It's been a while. I haven't posted any videos. Yeah, so in this video guys, I will be playing this game called Goat Simulator guys. Oh my gosh. I've heard a lot about this game guys. They say that it is a really funny and crazy game. This goat can do crazy stuffs and things. Guys, I'm so excited. I am so excited, guys. I want to play this game real bad. So, okay, I have just downloaded this game. Okay, so I have no idea what it's like, but I've heard about it that it can do crazy stuff. Okay, so as you can see here, okay, the lady there. Okay, she is probably drunk. Oh my gosh, look at the way she danced. She had like four kind of beers and she's drunk. Okay, so wow, this game is weird and crazy. Yeah, and even the goat, the goat too is drunk. Look at its tongue, it's coming out. Shit, okay. I'm so excited, guys. Oh, the guy's butt is on fire and now his hand is on fire. Ah, what a game. Okay, the lady is dancing like, from the game GTA in clubs and all. The ladies dance, that way. Yeah. So, okay, guys, let's do this. Woohoo, woohoo. Loading. Oh, wow. Look at this. Wow. I like this. I mean, the graphics, the details, and all looks kind of realistic. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna look at myself now. Ooh, I look so drunk and seems like I'm on drugs. Damn, son. Okay, let's try. Okay, let's jump around. Ooh, okay, what can I do with this? Oh, I can. Okay, this one I can lick somebody. I can lick somebody else. Wow. Okay, so guys, I downloaded this game on my iPhone and it's over 1.5 GB. Yeah, but to get a full version of this game, you need to buy it for 100 of rupees. Okay, couple hundred of rupees, and but I have no kind of money. Yeah, so I'm just gonna use this free version. Yeah, okay. So let's see what this game can do, guys. Okay. Okay, let's. Oh, hey there, friend. Are you drunk too? Hey, what are you looking at? Can I lick you? Okay, lick him, her. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh my gosh, my tongue is so freaking long. Okay, I can pull the goat. No, it's too heavy. Ah, ah, ah. I'm stuck. Okay, okay. How about I do this? Kill him, kill you, beach. Oh, what a game, guys. Guys, go play this game, guys. It is really, really fun. Okay, I'm gonna lick you too, friend. Ow. How can I lick kill somebody? Oh my gosh. Oh, super secret tunnel. Wow, where? Where is the tunnel? Is this the tunnel? Okay, whatever. Okay, so now, oh, humans. Okay, let's see if I can lick the human. Ah, stupid. Okay. Hey there, human. You know what I'm gonna do to you? I'm gonna lick you and I'm gonna lick your butt. Okay? I'm gonna lick his butt. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh, where's the human? Oh, I can drag him anywhere I want. Oh my goodness, this is so crazy. Okay. Oh, guys, I love this. Okay, what are these guys doing here? They're having a kind of protest or something. Let's destroy them. Woo! I'm a mad goat. I'm on drugs. I'm high. Yeah. Kill every lady on this place. Kill every human in this place. You stupid dumbass. Yeah, like that. Just like that. Okay, I'm gonna lick her. Oh, mine. Okay. Lick her butt. Oh. Oh. No. Okay, wait. This is so fun. How I'm gonna lick her legs. Ah! Guys, I like this game. I can lick anyone I want. Wow, I've always wanted to do that. Ew, that's so gross. That's so gross, man. What am I saying? Okay, trampoline. Oh, oh, I can jump higher and higher. Okay, so, okay, I can go higher and higher. I can reach the sky. Wow. Woohoo. No! Stupid. Okay, let's try this. Let's jump from this thing here. Okay, climb the stairs. Slowly, you don't have to be such a hurry, goat. I know you are crazy, but you know, chill for sometimes. Okay, why are you moving your head like that? Jump. Okay, I'm stuck. No, I'm stuck. Okay. Oh my god. What a goat you are. Okay, let's get back on. Let's go back. Okay. No. Okay. No. Stupid. Okay, let's do this slow and steady. 2, 3, 4. Woohoo! Okay, I'm dead. Okay. Oh, hey there, human. You want me to lick you again? Okay, let me lick her from. Ew, that is so cringy. Okay. Ew. Okay. Kill her now. Okay, stupid bitch. Stupid humans. I hate humans. I'm running like a crazy man. Hey, you there. Come here. How about that? Okay. Why is this thing black? I think it's the end of the road. Oh, I need to buy these in order to play it. No, I don't have money. I'm so poor and broke. Hey guys, okay, as you can see here, this is not a full version of the games. Okay, so if you want a full version, you need to buy it. I have no idea about Android. Okay, I think this game is available for free in Android. Okay, go check it out, guys. I'll kill all these workers, you stupid workers. How dare you build stuff like that? I don't like it. Car, what are you doing, you crazy car? Come here. I will lick you, car. You want me to lick you? Yeah. Stupid. Yeah. Okay, let me stand here. Let me block him. How dare you? Headbutt car. How dare car you hit me? You just hit me. You don't know who I am. I'm the craziest goat in town. I can do crazy stuff. I'm gonna kill you, stupid bitch. Okay, stop it. Let's kill these people. Why are you dancing, guy? This is not fun, okay? Oh! What is happening? Guy. Okay, let's go back there. How dare you humans? How dare you laugh at me? Okay, the car just hit me and you guys don't bother to help me. Oh shit, again. How dare you, car? I really want to kill this guy. Okay. No, owned by Hillbilly. Okay, let's try this one more time. Okay. Nope. How can I stop it? Shit. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna end this video, guys. So I'll be back with the next. Oh, what is this? Trophies. Oh. What are they doing? They are proposing. The girl is proposing the guy. She's asking him to marry her. Oh my gosh. What? This is crazy. Oh, I thought it was supposed to be the guy who should be proposing the girl. How come? This is so weird. Okay, I'm gonna lick her butt. Yes. This is so fun. Okay guys, so if you like the video, guys, please like and subscribe. Okay.